As a follow-up, today at noon, at 12:30, we set up this mini oven, cardboard oven, to see whether we can bake these potatoes. This is the setup, and we'll see how it does. It's not a clear day, but let's see how it does. We went away and came back. It's been 3.5 hours since we set this up, and we see that the oven is totally shaded, but we also see that the potatoes are done. We can see they're dehydrated and they're done, so we're going to take them out. Okay, there are two different types of potatoes. This is done, this is done, this is done. This is a different type of potato. This is also done, and this is also done. So the potatoes are done, both types.